Imagine harnessing the power of your gut to revolutionize your health. That's right, the key to a healthier, happier you could be hiding right inside your belly. Your gut, or your digestive system, is not just about processing the food you consume. It's a complex system, a bustling metropolis of bacteria, enzymes, and cells that work tirelessly to keep you in top shape. Now, have you heard of the gut-brain connection? It's a fascinating dialogue between your gut and your brain, a two-way street that affects everything from your mood to your immune system. It's like a secret language, spoken in the whispers of hormones and neurotransmitters. And here's the kicker. The state of your gut can impact your overall health in ways you might not even imagine. So it's time to pay attention to this powerhouse within. Unlock the secret to better health right there in your belly. What is gut health and why should you care? That's the question we're diving into today. Gut health refers to the balance of microorganisms that live in our digestive tract. These aren't just any microorganisms. They're an intricate network of about 100 trillion bacteria, fungi, and viruses. This community, known as the gut microbiota, plays a critical role in our health. So how exactly does our gut microbiota contribute to our well-being? Well, it aids in digestion, of course, but it also has a hand in other vital processes. It helps our body absorb nutrients, synthesize certain vitamins, and even regulate our immune system. Now, imagine if this delicate balance is disrupted. An unhealthy gut can lead to a slew of health issues. These can range from digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome to mental health conditions such as depression and anxiety. Yes, you heard that right. Our gut health can affect our mental health. This is because of the gut-brain axis, a communication network that links our gut and brain. But what disrupts our gut health? Poor diet, stress, lack of sleep, and certain medications can all negatively impact our gut microbiota. This disruption is often referred to as gut dysbiosis. It's like throwing a wrench into a well-oiled machine. Everything goes haywire. So why should you care about gut health? Because a healthy gut is key to a healthy body. It's not just about avoiding upset stomachs or bloating. It's about maintaining your overall well-being, from your physical health to your mental health. Remember, a healthy gut is a happy body. So take care of your gut, and it will take care of you. In the next scene, we'll reveal the enemies of gut health and how you can combat them. Stay tuned. Beware of these gut health enemies. Now, we've established how important gut health is. Let's delve into the factors that can pose a threat to it. These are the elements you want to avoid, the antagonists in our gut health story. First on our list of gut health enemies is stress. Stress is the unseen villain, wreaking havoc in more ways than you might imagine. When we're stressed, our body releases hormones that can disrupt the balance of bacteria in our gut. This imbalance can lead to digestive issues, such as bloating, gas, diarrhea, and even constipation. So, managing stress isn't just good for your mental health, it's essential for your gut health too. Next up, poor diet. This is a major culprit when it comes to damaging gut health. Highly processed foods, high sugar diets, and even diets low in fiber can negatively impact the diversity of our gut bacteria. These types of foods don't provide the nourishment that our gut bacteria need to thrive, and as a result, our gut health suffers. Thirdly, lack of sleep. Yes, you heard right. Not getting enough shut-eye can also harm your gut health. When we don't get enough sleep, it disrupts our body's natural rhythms, including our guts. This disruption can lead to an imbalance in gut bacteria, which can then lead to digestive issues and even weight gain. And last but not least, overuse of antibiotics. While antibiotics are essential for fighting bacterial infections, they're not picky about which bacteria they kill. This means that they can wipe out some of the healthy bacteria in our gut, leading to an imbalance. It's like dropping a bomb in a city to get rid of a few criminals. It gets the job done, but it also causes a lot of collateral damage. So there you have it, the 4 major enemies of gut health: stress, poor diet, lack of sleep, and overuse of antibiotics. Be vigilant against these foes. Remember, knowledge is power, and now you're armed with the knowledge to protect your gut health. Avoid these gut health enemies like the plague. Feast your eyes on these gut-boosting foods. Welcome to the smorgasbord of superfoods that your gut is absolutely yearning for. Let's kick things off with a classic. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, right? Well, it also keeps your gut happy. Apples are packed with pectin, a type of fiber that acts as a prebiotic. This means it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Next up, we have bananas. Bananas are easy on the stomach and they're also rich in fiber, potassium, and magnesium, all of which benefit gut health. Now let's talk about something a bit more savory, garlic. This aromatic bulb is not just for warding off vampires, it's a prebiotic superstar that helps your gut maintain its balance of good bacteria. You might also want to consider adding fermented foods to your diet. Think kimchi, sauerkraut, and yogurt. These foods are rich in probiotics, which are essentially good bacteria. Consuming these helps increase the diversity of your gut flora, which is key to a healthy gut. And let's not forget about good old whole grains. Foods like oats and brown rice are loaded with dietary fiber, which your gut bacteria love to feast on. Plus, they help keep your bowel movements regular. Up next are almonds. Almonds are not just a tasty snack, they're also packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats. All of these nutrients contribute to a happy gut. Last but not least, let's talk about beans and legumes. These little powerhouses are jam-packed with fiber and protein, both of which are excellent for your gut health. But remember, the best way to boost your gut health is to eat a varied diet. This ensures that your gut bacteria have a diverse menu to choose from, which in turn keeps them healthy and thriving. So there you have it, a banquet of gut-boosting foods. From apples to almonds, these superfoods are not just delicious, they're also fantastic for your gut health. So why not give them a try? Your gut is craving these superfoods. Hack your way to optimal gut health. Imagine being able to influence your health, your mood, and even your brain function with a few simple strategies. Well, it's more than just possible, it's within your reach, right now. Let's dive into the realm of gut health hacks, the practical tips and tricks that can help you nurture your gut and experience the benefits. First up, hydration. One of the most basic yet overlooked aspects of our health. Drinking enough water helps to keep your digestive system running smoothly, making it easier for your gut to break down food and absorb nutrients. So keep that water bottle with you and make hydration a priority. Next, let's move our bodies. Regular exercise isn't just great for your heart and muscles, it's also a boon for your gut. Physical activity promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and encourages regular bowel movements. Whether you're a fan of yoga, running, or dancing in your living room, any movement counts. And now let's talk about prebiotics and probiotics. Prebiotics are a type of dietary fiber that feed the good bacteria in your gut. You can find them in many fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Probiotics, on the other hand, are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for your health, especially your digestive system. They're often found in fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut. By incorporating both into your diet, you're setting the stage for a healthy, happy gut. But remember, everyone's gut is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. It's all about listening to your body and finding what feels best for you. Experiment with different foods, activities, and hydration levels to discover your personal gut health formula. So there you have it. Hydrate, exercise, and embrace prebiotics and probiotics. Simple, practical, and incredibly effective ways to boost your gut health. And remember, a healthy gut is the foundation of overall well-being. By taking care of your gut, you're not just improving digestion, you're enhancing your mood, boosting your immune system, and even promoting brain health. Empower your gut with these health hacks. Let your journey to optimal health begin with your gut. Are you ready for the Gut Health Challenge? Imagine, just 30 days from now, your gut could be happier, healthier, and more balanced. This isn't a pipe dream, but a reality that's within your grasp. The challenge is simple yet powerful. All you need to do is incorporate the gut health basics we've discussed earlier into your daily routine. Start your day with a gut-boosting breakfast, add fermented foods to your meals, and don't forget to hydrate. Remember, the enemies of gut health are just as important to avoid. Cut back on processed foods, reduce stress, and ensure you're getting enough sleep. The key to this challenge is consistency. Yes, there will be days when it seems tough, but remember, your gut health is worth it. So, are you in? Are you ready to take control of your gut health and feel the difference it can make? Tag a friend who needs this gut health breakthrough and share your gut health challenge in the comments.